Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I want to show you an amazing AI tool which you can use for video generation with AI voices. So you can literally turn text, PDF, document, idea into videos with AI voices. So here are all the videos created by people over here, which are really good. More than 100 million videos are created, more than 12 million users have used this, and there are more than 80 plus languages supported. So everything you need to turn text into stunning videos. So here is the script, here is the video from the script, here is human quality voice at scale, never run out of content, your face, your voice, zero filming, built for how you create video. So you can create amazing viral TikToks and reels without showing your face. So you can create amazing TikTok videos and reels for Instagram on this AI website. So you can start creating for free. Explore everything Fliki can do. So the name of this AI tool, as I said before, is Fliki, and it's really an amazing AI tool to create amazing, short form videos for Instagram reels and TikToks. So let's go ahead and sign up. Let's continue with Google. Let's give something about our background. What I'm doing. I'm a content creator. What is my background? What do you want to create with Flicky? Marketing videos, YouTube, Instagram videos. And now here is the interface for creating videos. What's new? Realistic AI characters. That's really nice. The all new Flicky. So the interface looks really amazing, as you can see over here. Script to video, block to video, PPT to video, auto edit video, record to video, and empty. There are also tutorials for if you don't know how to use this, you can go on this tutorial and see how to transform your idea into video. So you can check out this video to figure out how you can use this AI tool. But I'm going to show you how to use this AI tool, so you don't need to watch this video. So let's see on the left side what we have here. It's home files. So all the files which are created will be available over here. Whichever projects and files you create would be available over here. Then there are characters. You can create amazing characters, and there are already created characters over here which you can use in your video. So let's check out how many credits we have. Let's go on home. It doesn't show how many credits I have. Here is okay, so we are using the free version right now, which is completely without any fee, which is for 0 rupees. So what do we get here is that we get 3 credits per month. I don't know how the credits work. We get 300 voices across 80 languages and many much more. Create videos, stock images, generate AI images, SD 720 resolution videos, include Fleeky watermark. So, okay, this is nice. Let's go ahead and start to create script to video. Let's give it a script. So my script is create a 60-second cinematic documentary style video about a day in 2035. So here's my prompt. You can read it out by pausing the video, and let's give it for general public futuristic city, diverse adult, high-tech urban. So it was able to figure out this tags on its own by reading the prompt. So let's create a, you want to create a portrait, square or landscape video. Let's go with a portrait video. It sounds good. Create visuals in your chosen style. Okay, so here in scene media, this is an important part of the video. You can use stock images from your own images. You can add your images over here and they will be included in the video, or you can use AI images, and you can also select an AI image style you want to use for your video. So there are a lot of styles over here from which you can choose from. Then here is the model, here is the animation, audio best match for your language. So there is also going to be audio in it. None, no characters. I can add characters. I can add an avatar from all the available characters over here, which will be available in my video. So once I select on any of these characters, they will be shown in my video. But let's keep it no characters. Let AI create its own characters, and let's click on generate video.
Create a 60-second cinematic documentary-style video about a day in 2035. Show a futuristic city with AI assistants, smart homes, humanoid robots, autonomous transportation, and holographic workplaces. Highlight both the benefits and challenges of AI, then end with an optimistic message. The future isn't about humans versus AI. It's about humans with AI. Use a professional narrator, cinematic visuals, smooth transitions, background music, and subtitles.
So it also included my prompt, which I said, which I added. So the video created with the prompt itself, speaking out the prompt. So it created an amazing video.
Create a 60
The video is really amazing. So this is how you can create videos on Fliki, and it's really amazing. You can create amazing videos on Fliki. You can create narration types videos, you can create dialogue types videos, and AI uses amazing voice for it and shows it in the video itself. So here are the characters, here's the audio, it's the co-pilot. So here is how you can create amazing videos on Fleeky. So this is what I wanted to show you today, guys. You can use this AI tool to create a video from script, a video from blog, a video from PPT, and these are the main types from which you can create a video. So this is what I wanted to show you today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot. Thank you.